Due to extreme, immeasurable, pathetic ass laziness, this compilation has been blended into another one. Enjoy!
What the hell is going on?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, north central Madison County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northridge, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Northridge, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Brighton, South Vienna, Catawba, Mutual, Buck Creek State Park, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, New Field, and Plumwood. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 61 and 74. You are listening to... The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fayette County, Ohio, Southwestern Pickaway County, Northern Ross County, and South Central Ohio until 2:45 p.m.
Oh no.
At 2:02 p.m.
Ross.
Over New Holland, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, South Bloomfield, Kingston, Williamsport, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Frankfort, Fox, Clarksburg, Andersonville, Austin, State Route 138 at US Route 22, State Route 207 at US 22, Pickaway County Airport, and Plano. Here is a The National Weather Service in Wilmington issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Franklin County, Ohio, West Central Fairfield County, Northeastern Pickaway County until 3 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Bloomfield, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Circleville, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Royalton, Lithopolis, Fox, Amanda, East Ringgold, Duval, Slate Run Metro Park, and State Route 600, or at State Route 188.
Trying to have lunch is so disrespectful.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Central Fairfield County until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lancaster, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Baltimore, Millersport, Pleasantville, Royalton, Thurston, Carroll, West Rushville, Fairfield County Airport, US Route 22 at State Route 159, North Bern, and Dumontville.
I'm trying to eat my lunch. Don't pull that shit on me again.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Delaware County, northwestern Licking County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunbury, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Westerville, Johnstown, Sunbury, Galena, Hartford, Interstate 71 at US Route 36/State Route 37, Center Village, Leonardsburg, Olive Green, and Kilbourne. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 125 and 138. Now,
I see that you're back, aren't you?
the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Hawken County, eastern Ross County, and south central Ohio until 8:30 p.m. At 5:20
Is this your way of saying hi, I'm back?
indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across saturated ground within the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Chillicothe, Londonderry, Laurelville, Adelphi, Mooresville, and Hallsville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
What is it? What could it possibly be? Good radio.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm per hour with central area county source on 9 p.m.
Oh, it's from Miriam.
A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Lowe, or 7 miles southwest of Marion, moving east at 20 miles an hour.
I see you're feeling
60
better.
miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Prospect, Waldo, New Bloomington, Green Camp, and State Route. U.S. Route 23. Now
You asked. You're putting me to work.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County,
Oh.
Delaware and Union. A strong thunderstorm
Okay, buddy.
portions
It's all
of
right.
northwestern Delaware and
tomorrow.
northeastern Union counties and central Ohio through 9:15 p.m.
It's
At
tomorrow.
8:26 p.m., a strong
It's
thunderstorm was
tomorrow.
located over Richwood, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts up.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waldo, or 10 miles southeast of Marion, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Cardington, Ashley, Chesterville, Sparta, Edison, Marengo, and Flinton. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: